everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Keeper of Time from Lowe's. Alright guys, so from when I saw the leaks at Lowe's to now, this has always been one of my favorite animatronics of this year. And I got to see him in person today at one of the Lowe's near me, and this guy is so impressive. I had to buy him on the spot. And you guys know I haven't been buying as many props this year, so you guys know this guy just wowed me. So let's get to this unboxing. Alright, so it actually has a slide out container. This is what you see when you first open the box. You have some cotter pins, I was pretty sure about that. We have some batteries, a snap lock pin, and then there's the in-store assembly. But let's slide him out. So the box is actually empty now. Let's unbox all of this stuff. So in here, it looks like we have a lot of parts. We have the lower support poles, pop-up frame, and control box. The adapter, hip frame, head tilt pole. So it looks like this is a lot of the mechanism type stuff. Alright, so here is I assume this is like the middle kind of frame where the pole goes through. And this is definitely a prop that I can tell you don't want to mess with. It's very heavy duty. The springs, with how fast it pops up, are definitely going to be very, very stretched. So don't mess with this thing. Like, this is very much a, like, you set it up and you just set it up. Like, you don't, like, play with it. Alright, so here is that scissor mechanism. Wow. And the control box is back there, of course. But yeah, this is going to really shoot him up. Of course, there's going to be like the little pop-up mechanism, but it's more just to bring him back down. Here are the springs, which are really what is going to get him going. Yeah, these are definitely going to be not something you want to mess with. So this is a pole that connects to the head and mechanism that makes sure his head looks down whenever he is all the way up there. And then here are just some of the, not leg poles, but more just poles to support the mechanism. Here are the poles that I believe to go through his body, to actually like push him up and all that. I believe that's what most of these are. This could also be a neck pole though. Not exactly sure. Alright, so here is the Keeper of Time himself. He looks pretty freaking cool. Now we're going to get all slimy because of this retracting mechanism. All the techie mechanisms are like this, where they're just covered in this like greasy stuff. But I do see, I believe it is all metal gears except for maybe one or two, which is really, really amazing to see. That means this guy is going to last a long time, especially with how like crazy this jump scare is. You'd really expect it to last a long time. And finally, guys, we have the base, which is a little small, in my opinion, for how big he is, but maybe it'll be fine. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup.
The seconds of your mortal existence disappeared.
right, guys, so that was the Keeper of Time from Lowe's. This guy is absolutely amazing. His quality is really just honestly unmatched. His quality is great. He retails for $300, which is 100% worth it. But I believe he's actually on a sale right now, or at least was, for like, what is it, $240, $230? And wow, that is just even more worth it. I highly recommend this guy. Just get him. Just do it. He's amazing. That's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to purchase this guy. I will also leave a link to my merch store. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, as it helps the channel greatly against YouTube algorithm. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.